Right now, people are trying to pack their stuff up and get out as cops are coming down the street in the show of force like they did on Wellington. This block will be cleared out, but everybody here is peaceful. You can hear chanting. We just sung the national anthem again. Everybody's screaming liberty, freedom. We just want a safe, peaceful end to this. They just came in with full force. There were snipers on the roofs of all of our parliament buildings. I've been here for 3 weeks. I wanted to stay till the end. I don't believe this is the end. A lot of people here show support for the convoy. A lot of people don't. There are protesters, there are anti-protesters. But that's why we have democracy. I think that with the word getting out all over the world and the other convoys in all the different countries, we have started something here. This is not over.